One little update on the washing machine turbine. Now, the wind right now is blowing, I guess they're getting about 20 miles an hour. And this is all it's doing. Over here at the gauge, that is this turbine here. It's making 50, 60 watts. I have seen it hit up to about 100. Now, what I think is really amusing, I'm going to unplug it. We're going to let it freewheel for just a moment. All right, now it's making a lot of power, or a lot of RPM. Plug back in, and it's going to stay up there for a while. Go and look at it. It is, same wind, but it is really booking it now. Whenever it's going this fast, it makes a solid 500 watts. I really don't know what I'm looking at there. I don't know if maybe those blades are holding it back, keeping it from getting going. Once it actually gets some good RPM on it, the thing makes a lot of power. Well, it's like there's this hump that it has to get over first. Once it gets over it, it cooks. But until it gets over that hump, it's 100 watts. Even like right now, it is a little bit noisier than I'd like it to be, but yeah, oh well. Now the wind will die and it'll drop back down. And now it's not going to pick back up over that same hump. It'll make between, around 50, peak maybe at 100. We'll do the same thing. We'll unload it. It goes back up to making 18 amps. Now, anyway, I just thought that was kind of a neat little phenomenon. I'm sure it's easily explained by somebody who knows more than I do, so I'm definitely going to fish around for some explanations. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have an idea of why it would do this, let me know. We'll maybe be able to find a solution. Have a wonderful day.